"We mean business or no washing." This quote is from the remarkable story of Atlanta's Washerwomen strike of 1881, when a group of black women organizing against widespread discrimination demanded recognition and respect for their work. It stands in our union history as a most unlikely success. In 1881, a group of African American washerwomen in Atlanta organized themselves to demand better wages and working conditions. The Washing Society, as they called themselves, struck in the summer of 1881, taking on the business and political establishment of Atlanta, Georgia. The action served to remind the city's white majority whom they depended on for the clothes they wore. Seeking higher pay and more respect, the Washing Society called a strike, and the women began canvassing neighborhoods and churches to gather more supporters. The Washing Society even managed to get the 2% of washing women who were white to join. Their demands included $1 per 12 pounds of laundry, as well as some autonomy over their work and more respect from the clients. In just 3 weeks, the group and the strike stood at 3,000 members. White businesses and politicians threatened fines and attempted to enforce a tax on anyone found to be a member of the Washing Society. The strike finally ended, and the city buckled and agreed that the washerwomen could pay for a $25 annual licensing fee in exchange for higher rates and more self-rule. The washerwomen succeeded and set a precedent for others. Shortly after the strike, Atlanta's government also relented to demands from cooks, maids, hotel workers, and nurses for higher pay.